Festive atmosphere here outside the Jammu Kashmir Legislative Assembly as results have been declared for the 4 Rajya Sabha seats and expectedly National Conference winning 3 and the 4th seat has gone to Sat Sharma, who's the BJP's UT president. Lot of debate, lot of drama. While it was a number game, obviously favored the National Conference on all 4 seats. But as far as the 4th seat that the BJP has won, we spoke to their supporters 1 hour back, and while they were optimistic, but they were still, it was a 50-50 case where they felt that they had to be cross-voting. Someone from the independents or even from the India Alliance had to vote for them to secure this seat, and it seems they managed that behind the scenes. They have done their work brilliantly to ensure that at least they win 1 seat. But as I said, 4 out of the 4, 3 national conferences won, 1 has gone to the BJP, and from here on obviously one can expect fireworks within the India Alliance, because the way BJP has managed to snatch this seat and in fact the way they have managed these numbers tells that there is definitely something wrong as far as the India Alliance is concerned. The way they had planned this, because the numbers were overwhelmingly in their favor. But in spite of that, the BJP managed to win 1 seat. So celebrations on both sides, and National Conference claiming victory. BJP on the other hand also claiming that it is a victory for them. It's a bigger, sweeter victory, because in spite of not having the numbers, they managed to win 1 seat. So that really is what is happening here. Celebration in both the camps. You have the National Conference MLAs going out celebrating, and from here on you will definitely see both the camps claiming victory. The National Conference, obviously, they had the numbers, they won 3 seats. But BJP, as I said, a sweeter victory for them, because in spite of not having the complete numbers, in spite of the fact that they just had 28 seats and they were still short of at least 1 or 2, they managed almost 33. So that really is a big, tick to the BJP as far as number management is concerned. So Rajya Sabha elections over for Jammu and Kashmir, 4 seats, National Conference winning 3 and BJP winning 1. With Campus and Tariq Lone Mir Farid Srinagar for India Today.